In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install older versions of Adobe apps from Creative Cloud. If you rely on a specific plugin, need file compatibility with a collaborator, or just prefer a workflow from a previous release, installing an older version can be a smart move. Here is how to do it clearly and safely. Using the tools built right into Creative Cloud. Start by opening the Creative Cloud desktop app and heading to the All Apps tab. This is where every application tied to your plan is listed. Find the app you want to roll back, like Photoshop or Premiere Pro, to the right of the app's name. You'll see a small 3 dots icon. Click that, then choose Other Versions. This opens a list of versions that Adobe currently makes available for that specific app. You'll typically see up to 2 major versions back from the latest release, though some users may see more depending on region, licensing, or when the app was last updated. If you don't see the exact version you were hoping for, don't worry yet, availability can vary, and I'll explain an additional place to check in a moment. Once you've picked the version you want, select Install. If the app is already installed on your machine and you are switching to an earlier build, you may be prompted to uninstall the current version first. That's normal. Let Creative Cloud remove the newer version, then return to the same menu to install the older one. The desktop app will handle the download and setup for you. During installation, Adobe may ask whether you want to import settings from the newer version. Keeping your settings can help you get back to work quickly with your familiar preferences, workspaces, and shortcuts. If you are troubleshooting crashes or odd behavior, consider not importing settings for a cleaner start. You can always customize preferences again after the install if needed. If the version you want doesn't show up at all, some legacy builds are categorized separately. In those cases, sign in on Adobe's website and check the archived section of your account, where additional historical versions may be listed. Keep in mind that very old releases might not be supported or available for download anymore, especially if they rely on discontinued components or licensing terms. That's the process. Thanks for watching.